cruise time, baby.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen.
Oh my god, he's literally doing it in the elevator right now. Oh my god.
Dad, here's the fireball shot, okay? It is 6:35 on February 12th, prior to kickoff. Fireball shot.
Today I'm an Eagles fan.
Perfect.
And I hate fireball, by the way.
You got it down, Dad.
Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this.
Big Hoss Anonymous.
Close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing like I can fly, and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Time will always try to make us. Time will always try to make us. You remind me what I used to know. Like when I close